Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope this you're well and keeping safe. Welcome back to another one. So you know what? I have plan A and plan B boxed out for me over here. Right. So all I'm now literally just waiting for is for price to play out. Right. So if price is basically gonna have that actual tap, I'm gonna find myself going short. Right. I find myself going short back inside this region right over here, basically the low of this trend line, right? But if we're gonna find ourselves just having a beautiful thing to the downside, I will find myself looking on going long from this region onwards, basically just covering a nice actual 1-to-2 ratio, also lining up with a beautiful area of support right over, well, resistance right over there. Right, so now all I need to find myself doing is be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Will we get stopped out of this actual trade? Will we get our take profit hit whatsoever? Let's see. Right. Keep in mind below this actual line over here, this is basically where we have some nice actual sell side liquidity resting. Right. If I can go to the higher time frame, we can see that we do have some relatively equal lows over here. Right. Keep in mind this whole region is a zone. Just like that. Keep in mind this whole region over here, that is a zone. Multiple respects at these actual lows. Look at these highs as well, right? Keep in mind this whole region over here is a zone as well, right? I just don't want my charts to look too meshy. Look at that. Respect. Right, so we are somewhat range bound on this beautiful people, the Nasdaq, but you know what? These are basically the areas I have my eye out on for looking for some beautiful longs or for some beautiful shorts. Right, I'm favoring some nice actual shorts. So let's just wait for price to, you know what, tap inside our area. This is when I'm gonna find myself going short, and yeah, just wait price out. As you guys can see, once again, I do have a beautiful ascending trend line. So as I've shown you guys previously, right, first touch, second, third, we had our actual break. All we want is a retest, and then we want to find ourselves going short way to basically the low of our trend line. That's it. That is literally it. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. No need to complicate it. Now all we need to find ourselves doing is wait. It's important to know when, it's important to know where you are inside the market, right? Whether you should be looking for some beautiful shorts, whether you should be looking for some beautiful longs, right? Most importantly, it's like the way. That is most important. Where should you go long? Where should you go short? That is most important. Okay, so now we can currently see that we are having some sort of a rejection, right? We are currently having some sort of a rejection. Clean, we have a push. So, hey, almost there. Short. Right, that is shorts over there. That is shorts. Let's wait. So we can see on this actual trade, we are risking around about 20 pips to gain around about 40 pips. Okay, clean 1-to-2 ratio. Clean one. Alright, so now we basically have the tap into the trend line. Now we have the tap into the trend line. We basically don't want to see price have a closure above these regions over here. We don't want to see that. So I can find myself removing that. Alright, keep in mind, when you're gonna find yourself having like one opportunity, right, you don't need to find yourself taking another one. Okay, you don't need to find yourself doing that. Okay, so we have a nice push. Right, we have a clean clean push to the upside, adding some drawdown, you know. Hey, these are one of the things that you need to find yourself, you know, just become comfortable with. 3 minutes left for closure, right? 3 minutes left for closure. I'm not gonna lie, like these things does have a effect on me. It does. Right? Even though I'm confident, even though I did the necessary due diligence on my side, you know, yeah, you know, you still get that feeling. So yeah, and I feel like that is the one feeling that you know, that is keeping me inside the market, you know, that feeling of, hey, will it play out, will it not play out whatsoever, that feeling. Right, we have 2 minutes left, and about 2 minutes. Hey, we're in more drawdown. Right, we in some more drawdown. Let's look at our 15 minute. Yeah, you know, at 15 minute, I don't want to see us having a closure above this region right there. Don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. Because keep in mind, right? Look at this. Low, low, low. Right? High, higher, higher. Simple. It's simple. Keep it simple. Let's look at the 30 minute. Okay, 30 minute. 30 minute has like a nice a clean push to the upside. Right, 30 minute has a nice push to the upside. Quite strong bullish momentum. Look at the 1 hourly. We had a clean push to the upside as well. Well, 2 hourly clean push to the upside as well. 1 hourly. We have a rejection. Alright, boom, boom. Not to stress about. Nothing to stress about. Impulse, correction. So the next impulsive move will happen after this candle. After the closure of this candle, we're gonna find ourselves having our push to the downside. So let's wait. Even look at the wick. Right, there's no wick to the downside, so price needs to at least come and create some sort of an actual wick. Right, and with us creating that actual wick, we could find ourselves potentially create some sort of an actual bearish engulfing. Right, and with us creating that actual bearish engulfing, this simply means that, hey, now we can find ourselves having some sort of an actual push to the downside. Right, that is literally just us reading price. That is just us reading price. Okay, that is just us reading price. Can you see? The Nasdaq is basically filling up that wick. So if we can find ourselves having a closure below, look at that. Hey, we're gonna find ourselves having that closure below. You know what? Take profit will be smacked to the T. Okay, it will get smacked to the T. Oh, okay. Okay, so we are currently 24 pops in. 24 pops in. 24 pops in. Right, 34 pops in. Keep in mind, guys, like we had this area boxed out way before the move even happened. Keep that in mind. Right, in fact, with all the breakdowns I find myself having with you guys, or like these actual sessions which I found myself having with you guys, you know what, we already boxed out the area where we want to see price have that actual turn. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. We're also about to have a lovely online session later this evening with the community, where I'll find myself breaking down this trade as well. to why I found myself taking this beautiful opportunity clean. Side was quite a clean momentum to the downside, right? I don't have further interest in tapping into the market whatsoever, right? But hey, it's me, your boy D. I'm gonna see you in the next one. I'm out.